I think this is day number 12. We had a full day in Austin yesterday, no riding a bike, so a bit of a relaxed day. And we have got a little mission to do right now. Gaz's bike has got an engine warning light, so he's got a little light that's come on. The bike's running fine, but at the same time we've still got a hell of a long way to go. So we just want to make sure it's 100% before we leave Austin, because Austin's actually got an Eagle Rider where we rented bikes from. So we're going to nip into Eagle Rider now, just show them the warning light, see if it's a big issue or if it's nothing to worry about. Well, we'll see how that goes. I do have to say, the little stint I've had in Austin, I've really enjoyed it. Great bars, great restaurants, great food, barbecue yesterday, one of the best I've ever had. Out of everywhere we've been so far, yeah, Austin is ranked close to the top of the list at nice cities I've been to in America. Yeah, really good place. And here we have it, Cowboy Harley Davidson Austin. Very cool. Look at that, we got a wagon with Harleys. That's pretty special. Look at all these Harleys. Not really in a parking spot there, I guess. Well, we are now finished getting Gaz's bike looked at. So the guy just said it was a dodgy O2 sensor. So nothing we need to worry about. We want to get some breakfast, and we're going to head to a restaurant that was on Man vs Food called One in a Million. One in a Million. It's quite busy.
Good to see you, baby. Doing all right, man? Come on in, baby.
Can I get the con queso breakfast?
Con queso breakfast.
Yes.
How do you like your eggs, sir?
Very runny.
And for you, sir?
The macacado con huevo.
Jalapenos, tomatoes, and onions. Flour tortillas on the side. Okay, thank you very much.
Is it a bit too spicy for you?
No, I just got a bit of that in the back of the throat. I can't shift.
I'm not sure Gaz can handle spice. Well, let's give this a go then. Fried beans, egg, and a bit of beef. That's absolutely delicious. It's just a nice plate of slop. Can't really identify exactly what it is. Yeah, I definitely recommend this place. I think I could probably do with a knife though. That might be the English in me, but it's definitely having a few mess issues.
It's not the first time, Dave, and it won't be the last.
Well, I'm a messy at the best of times. You give me a fork and a plate of slop. And then also throw in a mix a couple of wraps as well. Yeah, it's and on top of all of that, the X Factor, I'm wearing my white t-shirt. Not a good choice, I should have worn brown today. I think 1 in a million gets about a 5 out of 5 for me, Gaz. How about you?
Yeah, very good indeed.
But, wham, a knife and fork, not just a fork. We're finally leaving Austin. It's pretty late, it's already 1:20, but we've only got about three and a half hours until we've done biking for today. It's only a very short drive. We're now heading to a place called Galveston. It's a separate island, and we don't really know much about the place, but looking at reports about Galveston, they had like 100 arrests over the weekend due to kids getting drunk, fighting, trashing the place. So we're hoping it's calmed down since the weekend. It is now Monday. Hey ho, we'll see what happens. Today has been probably one of my least favourites of the trip so far, and the drive itself has been a mixture of highways, and every time we try to get off a highway to make it a little bit more scenic, well, we've got lost a few times and just hit about 100 traffic lights, all on red obviously. So I am actually looking forward to tomorrow. Fingers crossed it's going to be a little bit more eventful than today. Oh, this area is looking quite nice. Pier 21. Oh, maybe. Oh, sneaky. Yeah, we don't have to push any buttons. Oh, this is where we're staying. Very cool. Harbour House. Home sweet home.
And then from Offshoots Brewing, your Relax IPA.
Right.
I like this place.
It's got character.
Yeah. Just
It's a million different craft beers. Right. Guys, what did you get?
I got the habanero wings.
And he said it was pretty spicy, yeah?
He said a 7 to 8 out of 10. So this is going to be interesting. I don't know if this is going to be too spicy.
What I've got is a bratwurst corndog.
I don't think it have as much of an effect.
Very good. It just tastes like America. This is America right now. And drinking a 10% IPA, Hercules. Well, I think we'll finish up this food, have another drink, a little sneaky nightcap, stumble back to the hotel, and then get ready for the drive to New Orleans tomorrow.
Right, well, we've had a great night in Galveston. It's turned out to be one of the gems of this trip. Galveston, highly recommended. And these locals gave us loads of tips on New Orleans as well, so we cannot wait. So Galveston, we may have doubted you on the drive in. In fact, I was hating coming to this place because the drive was absolute dog poop. Anyway, New Orleans, here we come.